Dr. Shapiro further elaborates on following a plant-based diet and a lessened risk of breast cancer.
When women eat a plant-based diet in general and more soy, they're going to see a 30% decrease in breast cancer anyway. But if you start earlier, even better, because you can even turn your body into something called an equal producer. And an equal producer means you get more of the benefit from soy. And we see that in people sort of in Asian countries where they grow up eating a lot of soy. They are these equal producers, and they actually make something that actually further reduces the risk of breast cancer.
Whole soy products containing high concentrations of isoflavones can help create the further beneficial effect of producing equal in the digestive system of the human body. Not everyone has the bacteria required to transform isoflavones into equal. But a study found vegetarians are 4 times more likely to be able to produce equal compared to non-vegetarians. In addition to mitigating menopause symptoms, equal has other health benefits, such as increasing burn protection and reducing the risk of prostate cancer in men. Depending on environmental factors such as diet, human DNA can express itself differently. Dr. Shapiro takes us to explore the benefits of soy from a genetic perspective.
We know that some women have mutations in the gene that codes for DNA repair. For example, the BRCA gene. BRCA mutations, there are BRCA1 and 2. What it does is it codes for DNA repair. It repairs DNA, which is constantly being damaged by oxidative stress and inflammation. So if you have a defect, if you have a mutation in that gene, you're not going to be able to repair your DNA as well, and you're more at risk for breast cancer. Well, soy isoflavones upregulate the gene for DNA repair. So even if you carry that BRCA mutation, if you eat more soy, you're going to get more DNA repair, genetically speaking.
In addition to soy promoting DNA repair, Dr. Shapiro reveals how an estrogen-reducing pharmaceutical drug and isoflavones in soy share the same therapeutic mechanism.
Lastly, there's another class of drugs that we give women after breast cancer to prevent a recurrence, and they are called aromatase inhibitors. Aromatase is an enzyme that takes androgens and makes them into estrogens. So we use aromatase inhibitors like Arimidex, for example, is a common drug, to lower your circulating estrogen so that you will have a lower risk of a recurrence of breast cancer. Well, it turns out that the soy phytoestrogens, the isoflavones in soy, as well as resveratrol and all those lignans that are in flax, they also act as aromatase inhibitors. And so that's how they decrease your risk of breast cancer.
Attentive and bright-hearted viewers, we are very happy you could join us today as we explored the health benefits of soy. We thank Dr. Shapiro for speaking with us and for her in-depth and beneficial work regarding women's health and the vegan diet. With a smile in our hearts and a tranquil mind,